Hey guys, Anna Malaman here, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the 4% challenge. As I am going through these sessions, I want to tell you that every single day I am looking forward to going to the next session. And yes, once in a while it's challenging and it requires a lot of action taking massive action, and doing it right the first time is really, really important. And I also wanted to say, make sure you do not skip any steps. I am listening to Earl Nightingale no matter what, every single day, twice a day. And I wanted to point out that what I really like about the way that Vic teaches and guides us is that not only do you get solid business advice, but also you get things that are like out of the ordinary that other people or other programs never even consider talking about. Talking about posture, talking about your diet, talking about being a 4%er in all areas of your life. And that is one thing that I truly resonate with. And I really love the guidance of the program and everything that we are being, kind of shown and guided, like kind of in the back of the shoulder, watching everything, right? So I really love this program. I would highly encourage that you go through it, even if you don't want to have your own business, or you don't feel like that you're ready for it. You just have to jump in, like Vic always says, with a leap of faith, because you'll never be ready, and you just never know when is the right time unless you start something, unless you take action. So I want to encourage you to take action, go through the sessions. Your life will change.